it's good ukuthi uMpumelelo afambule enze yonke lento eniyibona. At least lo wami umfana niyakhuluma ngaye niyambona. It's good ukuthi wenza lama mistake. Ngikhona kuyise ukumtshela ukuthi hayi but yazi lana bengafanele wethu. Yes befanele awenze ngikhona. Angangilindi ngize ngihambe kuyimayiwenza. I-age imvumela ukuthi enze kanjalo. By the time efika 25-30 uzobe sephunekile eseba mashort enough ukuthi sesingakwazi ukuhamba indlela. So kwamanje mina I'm happy ngokuthi wenza ama mistakes because ukwazi ukuthi nenza lama mistakes ngibuye ngihlale naye phansi ukuthi
Hello guys and welcome back to Reality Rewind. Please like and subscribe, I absolutely appreciate it. So I came across this video on Facebook. I'm not sure if Obabumsele was doing an interview on a certain podcast, but I was just interested on what he was saying. So basically he's saying that in a nutshell, he's saying that Umpumelelo, whatever he's doing now, it's okay for him to do it because he is of age, like his stage. He is in that stage where he's allowed to make all those mistakes. See, the mistakes are okay because also his father is still alive. He is there to be telling him, hey, you are not supposed to do this way or things like that. So at the back of my mind I do have that thing, you know, we don't really have to judge someone's style of parenting. People have different styles of parenting, but if now it's affecting ingane zabanye abantu, it's no longer okay, because I'm looking at amaphutha ayenzwa nguMpumelelo. Part of amaphutha includes the fact that he impregnated uVuyo, ubaba nengane ezingu-2, and also uTirelo. You know, that's part of the mistakes because obviously if usiba nengane outside wedlock, 1, 2, with no intentions of marrying the lady, 3, ube nje usafuna ukudlala nje with the other women, it means having a child in those circumstances was a mistake. So I guess that's part of the mistakes ubaba uMseleko akhuluma ngazo. But now kuyangihlukumeza mina because these are not light mistakes, you know. These are not light mistakes. These are not mistakes that you can really brag about. No, umntanami is uphethwe stage nje, that's why he's making mistakes. Uyabona ama mistakes lawo ukuthi khona umntwana useqala ukubhonga, usesiba rude, akasathumeki, yabo into ezinjalo, usehamba ma out. I think that's better. But when now the mistakes involve bringing another life into the world, yabo lo uyabe semele ahlaliswe phansi ukuthi yekela ukuzekelela, yekela ubulema, yekela ubumbulo, asikubuki, stop it. Guys, into lema ungayianalyze ngelihlo lokuba ngomzali ozele umntwana wenkazana, hey, ibuhlungu, cause like you'll be like, okay, nangu uVuyo now has 2 kids with uMpumelelo, right? And then the parent ubaba kaMpumelelo is saying ukuthi uMpumelelo, okay, you made a mistake, it's good because you are making these mistakes while I'm here. Yes, he made mistakes, but now what do we do with the mistakes that are living? Ama mistakes aphefumulayo, ama mistake afuna ukondliwa, ama mistakes afuna i-present dad, ama guys. Yebo akumelanga sijudge i-style of parenting yabanye abantu, but I'm imagining if it was my daughter impregnant with 2 kids and ubabazala uthi yena hayi umfana wami wenza amaphutha and uright enza amaphutha ngisaphila we. Hi guys, when you look and at that time ubaba Mseleko is saying uMpumelelo is making mistakes. Yazi umuntu ongakwaziyo nje ongakaze buke uthando nesithembu ongakaze buke ingane zesithembu mayemlele ubaba Mseleko sithi uMpumelelo is making mistakes, someone would think ukuthi maybe it's mistakes ukuthi mhlambe ubethunyiwe wadla ushintshi or maybe usedelela uMpumelelo usebhongela uma wakhe into ezinjalo. Umuntu esuke ngazi ukuthi no ama mistakes okukhulunywa ngawo ngama mistakes aphefumulayo. It's mistakes that talks. Ama mistakes alenya wezi2 ahambayo. Hi guys, futhi that time ubaba Mseleko guys he is saying Mpumelelo is making ngathi yena ukuthatha ngathi okay what Mpumelelo is doing is like a genuine mistakes, but honestly they are not genuine. They are definitely not genuine mistakes guys. There's this other video where Mpumelelo was saying ukuthi you know what ngifuna ukuthi ngijole ngithathe uMpedi, ngithathe uMxhosa, ngithathe uMzulu, ngithathe uMtswana, uMsuthu yabo. And then ngapha his father is defending him saying no he's making mistakes. Yena he's busy ngapha telling people ukuthi khona if ungazake uhambe eclinic uyephiwe drop le STI then hayi awukaphili. We guys it's bad. It's bad and mina vele like ungenze it didn't sit well with me the way he's referring to the mistakes angathi they are genuine mistakes, angathi ngama light mistakes lawa nje very light. Akasasho ukuthi ama mistakes ango the kids. Hey, and uyasho bamsela ukuthi uMpumelelo ingqondo zizabuya mayise nabo 25 30 ukuthi zizabuya sibili. And at that time he is yes he's saying ukuthi probably when he gets 25 30 ingqondo zizabuya aqala ukurealize ukuthi oh no this kumele ngiphile kanje, but ama mistakes abe semangaki makusiyafika lo that how many mistakes ama mistakes aphefumulayo, ama mistakes adlipapa adluphuthu abe semangaki esiyafika 30. I think this behavior doesn't akumelanga nje cultivate we behavior nje mele ukuthi stop it, because another thing is okay with uMpumelelo bringing kids to earth, with uMpumelelo ehambezalisa right, ubaba Mseleko was saying ukuthi hey uMpumelelo is doing you know the Lord's work. uMpumelelo is doing a right job because yena ubaba Mseleko needs those kids right. And ubaba Mseleko had that mentality ukuthi if ever uMpumelelo emithisa that means ukuthi he's going to marry the woman, but now it's not the case because he has already lost his baby mama of 2 kids. His baby mama of 2 kids is now married elsewhere with the kids. So ebona ukuthi nje ayingathi akuhambanga kahle ama mistakes usazawenza uMpumelelo mhlambe sizizwa futhi nje in the next few years or even next year ukuthi hayi sikhona enye mistake edluphuthu ephefumulayo aseyenzile ama mistakes kaMpumelelo ayaphefumula. It's not mistakes nje la angaphiliyo, ama mistakes aphefumulayo. Uzozwa sothi uMpumelelo usenze enye mistake, what is he going to do? Because ubaba Mseleko kumele ananzelele futhi another thing ukuthi he doesn't have the power to keep the women that uMpumelelo is making pregnant. He doesn't have that power as much as he wants. He wishes ukuthi if uMpumelelo ekhulelisa intombi kumele ayithathe, he doesn't have that power yokuthi ethi keep them together, because kumehlulile nanku kuvuyo, kumehlulile kuvuyo. Yo yazi when I'm doing this video ngiyakhumbula that time ubaba Mseleko ethi kuMpumelelo Mpumelelo kanti like ukuthi iproblem kaVuyo yini. Mpumelelo problem kaVuyo is because ukuthi uVuyo wants to be the first wife baba Mseleko mbuzo ukuthi wena wawumthembisile yini ukuthi uzaba yi-first wife. Yo, hi guys. I think uVuyo maybe watches that episode and be like, yo, hayi yazi ngasila ngaphuma erubishini. Please do let me know what you think on the comment section. Otherwise, I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.